everyone. In this lecture today we are going to study the topic proportions. As in a previous lecture we have already discussed about the basic of proportion. In this lecture we'll be discussing the questions related to it. So let's start. Question 1. If x is to y is equals to 5 is to 4 and 2 is to x is equals to 3 is to 8. We have to find out the value of y. X is to y is equals to 5 is to 4 given to us, and 2 is to x is given to us 3 is to 8. So x upon 5, x upon y is equals to 5 upon 4. This is our first equation that has been framed, and our second one, 2 upon x is equals to 3 upon 8. This is the second one. From the first one, we will be calculating the value of x. X is equals to 5 upon 4 y. As y is in division, we will be doing cross multiply. It will be going in multiplication. So the value of x has come here, from here. In equation 2, 2 upon x is equals to 3 upon 8. We will be putting here the value of x, 5 upon 4 y, and we will be calculating the value of x. Like this, we will be putting in the second equation the value of x, and we will be calculating the value of y. So x and y values have been calculated from here. Question 2. Show that 2, 12 and 72 are in the continued proportion. We have to show that whether they are in the continued proportion or not. Three numbers a, b and c are in the continued proportion. Here we have assumed the numbers as a, b and c. A is to b is to b is to c. Three numbers are given to us as per the question detail, 2, 12 and 72. So a upon b will be 2 upon 12. 1 upon 6 we have reduced it. Then b is to c, 12 upon 72. 12 ones are and 12 6 is 72. So we are getting a upon b is equals to b upon c. Both we are getting 1 upon 6. So it is verified that they are in the continued proportion. Question. Find the value of x when 2.5 is to 4 is equals to x is to 7.5. Here we have to find out the value of x. 2.5 is to 4, that is to x is to 7.5. As 4, here we will be finding out the product of extremes, that is equal to a product of means. 4 into x is equals to 2.5 into 7.5. This we have applied as per a rule. Product of means is equals to product of extremes. So x is equals to 2.5 into 7.5 and 4 into x is there. We have to segregate the x portion. We have to find out the value of x. So 4 it is in multiplication. But when we are calculating the value of x, we will be seeing if it is in multiplication, it will go in the division. So x is equals to 2.5 into 7.5 divided by 4. After doing all the calculation portion and after doing all the cutting by which table it is getting cut, we will be seeing and reducing it into a shorter form. So we are getting x is equals to 75 upon 16, which is in the improper fraction. We will be converting it into a mixed fraction. After converting it into a mixed fraction, we are getting 4/11 by 16 as the value of x. Basically in this question, we have applied product of extremes is equals to product of means, which was useful in calculating the value of x. So this is all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will be continuing further the questions of proportions. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.